My name is Abdullah Muhammad from Group 2 and I will be representing the introduction. Have you ever asked yourself how do machines work? How does your phone store data? Well, all of that is because of sequential circuits. Sequential circuit is a special type of circuit that has a series of inputs and outputs, where the present output depends on the present input as well as past output. Unlike combinational circuit, sequential circuit can store that.
In this group assignment, KMAP is used to solve the minimum expression for the problem. KMAPs basically deal with the technique of illustrating the values of the output variable in cells within a rectangle or square graph according to a defined pattern. The number of cells in KMAP is determined by the number of inputs variables and is mathematically expressed as 2 raised to the power of the number of outputs variables. Intercourse prime software is used to realize the logic design which creates the logic circuit equations, schematic and waveform. Result for the problem. Intercourse 2 is the software that we use for designing programmable logic devices. Lastly, we draw the diagram that represents the simplified Boolean expression, verify the design by analyzing or simulating the circuits.
Hi, my name is Joey. Now I will present about results. The description of the problem is an 8 times 1 multiplexer has inputs S2, S1 and S0 connected to system inputs A, B and C. The data inputs I0 through I7 are via as follow. I0, I5, I6 is equal to 0. I2, I4 equals to 1. I1 equals to D. And I3, I7 equals to D bar. This is the block diagram. And this is the truth table and minimum expression for the problem using KMAPs. And this is the get schematic. This is the get schematic in quarters prime. Timing diagram in quarters prime.
My name is MUSAB Jabbar and I'll present to you the discussion. From the results, 8 to 1 multiplexer has 8 data input as follow, and 3 selected line S0, S1 and S2, and 1 output which is F. So we continue and complete the truth table by what's been given in the question. After that we continue solving the problem by using KMAP. We put ones and the zeros in the blocks of KMAP. After that, make a rectangular groups containing total terms. Then try to cover as many elements as you can in one group. From the groups made in the previous step, we find the product terms and sum them up for a sum product form. As a result, a minimum expression obtains from the KMAP, which is this equation. Finally, we draw the logic circuit. In the conclusion, we use multiple methods to solve the MSI logic circuit, which is step 1, get the problem overview, and step 2, obtain the truth table, and then step 3, we use the KMAP. After that, the last step was the logic circuit. And all these steps has been already explained and shown step by step to you in this essay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJWA, and next I would like to present about how to make a logic circuit using quarters prime. So we use 4 inputs, 1 output, and there are few basic logic gates which are NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, and also DFF. After connecting all the logic gates together, we connect the output from OR to clock and also 2 inputs to the clock. Then we can start running the compilation and then wait for the result. So here is the result for our group logic circuit, and there is no error found. Next is by creating the timing diagram for this logic circuit. So here is our timing diagram. That's all from us. Thank you.